Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates.
Let's look into the phases. Phases of the Korotkoff sounds. So Korotkoff sounds, it includes the spelling is Korotkoff. So here the Korotkoff sound, there is 1 to 5. So 1, it includes the tapping sound. So phase 1 of the Korotkoff sound is where you have a tapping sound. And this tapping sound, it corresponds to the systolic BP. Then comes the type 2. What is the type 2? Type 2 means there is presence of murmur. So there is murmur. And this is nothing but a soft swishing sound. Then comes 3. The 3 is a loud and clear tapping sound. There's a loud and clear tapping sound. So tapping sound was heard in 1. Now again it is heard in 3. That is, you have a loud and clear tapping sound. Then comes 4. So what happens in 4? 4 is where you have a muffled sound. So muffled sound is, you can hear the muffled sound in type of 4. Then we move on to 5. The 5 means there is a disappearance of the sound and it corresponds to the diastolic BP. So the disappearance of sounds are seen in 5. So 1 is where the tapping sound occurs, and 3 is where again there is a loud and clear tapping sound, 2 there is a murmur, and 4 there is a muffled sound, and 5 there is a disappearance of the sound and it corresponds to the diastolic BP. So there is diastolic BP which is seen. So this 4, the type 4 of the Korotkoff sound is where the muffled sound is heard. So you have a muffled sound. So this muffled sound, it corresponds to the DBP. DBP means a diastolic BP in case of the adults after exercise, after the exercise. Next is in case of children, in case of hyperthyroidism. Next in case of AR, that is aortic regurgitation. Then even in patients with the atriovenous fistulas for the hemodialysis. So in case of hemodialysis with the patients with atriovenous fistulas.
To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.